So my husband and I were looking to replace our existing kitchen that was refaced and falling apart. And we wanted to do it as quickly and as effortlessly as possible because we have 4 kids and we need our kitchen. So we showed up at Cabinets Direct. My husband's friend had used them, and we met with Melissa, their designer, and she helped us put together an absolutely gorgeous kitchen in about 3 weeks time frame with diamond vibe cabinets and Caesarstone cabinet countertops. Cabinets Direct was able to help us with their contractors, George and Mario, who were so kind and so considerate. They were very efficient. Their work was very good. They listened to our concerns. They were able to put the cabinetry in very quickly. They ran into obstacles with pipes and wires, as you would expect, and they were able to just fix everything and put everything together as quickly as possible.